Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here at meron tayong announcement, no? Hindi naman announcement, parang an announcement from Insta360. Nag-announce sila kanina na meron silang ilalabas na drone. Yes, para kanina si Insta360 nag-post sa Instagram at sabi dito, incubated by Insta360, anti-gravity is here to flip the script on drone flight and pioneer the future of 360 drone technology. So, I think mga around baka August to 2025 kasi nag-announce sila late July na eh. At dito natin makikita yung ilalabas na Insta360 na drone na may Insta360. They call it the anti-gravity. It's a new sub-company or sub-brand ni Insta360. The latest drone brand for drone si 360, no? So si DJI may kalaban na. Matindi na yung kalaban ni DJI. At hindi ordinary drone ang ilalabas ni Insta360 kasi they are going to launch the drone with 360 degrees camera. So naglabas sila ng trailer kanina at very surprising, no? Napakaganda na ng kanilang trailer, no? So kung ipe-playback ko itong trailer nila, panoorin natin. So, gravity kagad, no? So, let's check out the video. At makikita mo dito, nagli-lift yung mga bato, may nag-struggling, at may mga quotes sila na pinapakita. At we're looking at some footage, no, na may be taken from the Insta360 anti-gravity. So, yung Insta360, hindi na siya pang land, pang underwater, ngayon pang air na rin din. Ayan, no, mga example yan, no, na Insta360 degrees sa anti-gravity drone. So, eto na. Anti-gravity is a new brand for Insta360 at eto na ang start ng 360 drone revolution. Napakagandang technology nito, no? At anong masasabi ngayon ni DJI after launching their 360 degrees camera this end of July. So I guess labanan to, no? May mga battle na tayo with DJI tsaka Insta. May mga pinapakita ditong teaser, no? Anong itsura ng drone. So etong mga footage are taken from the anti-gravity 360 drone camera. Ayan, no? May LZ. Medyo malaki yung LZ niya, yung propeller niya, medyo malaki. So we are not sure kung gaano kalaki yung magiging camera na Insta360. So, may tayong pictures dito, pinapakita natin dito. This is a propeller. So, next, another view of the propeller. Parang yung sa rotor to, yung parang umiikot sa propeller. Another view. So, eto, no, nakita ko yung, this is the top view or maybe the bottom view ng Insta360. So, malamang malaki yung lens nito. Kasi kung mataba yung drone, kailangan niya ng malaking lens to cover the entire body. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano yung style ng camera niya para maging 360, no? So, ayan. So, anti-gravity, check out their Instagram, anti-gravity global, tsaka si Insta360, puntaan yung Instagram nila, no, para makita ninyo. At sa website, maganda yung website nila. At we have here a teaser. Oy, grabe. So, mukha siyang, for me, para siyang para siyang flip. Parang DJI flip na medyo malaki yung body. At nakikita ko nga dito, no, parang malaki nga yung camera niya, no. They have here a teaser. So parang nakaangat yung LC niya sa baba. So parang nakaganon siya. Malaki yung LC sa baba. Sa unahan may LC rin. At I think I can see the camera sa taas tsaka sa baba. So may malaking lens sa baba. So meron siyang paa. Nilagyan nila ng paa yung drone para alis makita mo, no, na hindi matatama sa lupa yung lens sa baba. So this is the first teaser for Insta360 drones called anti-gravity. So the future is up. So napakaganda nitong labanan ni DJI at Insta360. I think this is the answer of Insta360 after DJI launches its own 360 degrees camera. Ang tanong dito, so dapat ma-perfect na ni Insta360 yung kanilang mic system, which is very late na rin din sila for that, no? Which is very popular din kay DJI na yung DJI Connect, no, for the microphone, no. So I hope Insta360 can follow na rin din para matinding laban. So paano ba yan? Pag lumabas na to, I'm for sure DJI will develop on its own 360 after launching this DJI Osmo 360 this end of July. So makikita natin paano gagamitin to ng mga tao. And I'm sure DJI drone enthusiasts, users and kumbaga professional users, they will look up into this anti-gravity 360 degree drone kasi maganda itong gamitin for professional work and also for hobbies and also for travel, So I heard may launching na daw to at I guess around August. Abangan natin, So sana ma-invite tayo for that. So ayun, I'll end my video here. Just a quick commentary about Insta360 anti-gravity. And also I'm using the new microphone na binili ko sa Shopee. Ito, mura lang, mga 300 plus. So yung aking full-line mic is dito. Naka-connect dyan. So hopefully maganda yung audio. Alright, so I'll end now my vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, kita-kits!